Hey guys, more Magician here, and like I promised, we're back. So today I am going to be doing the spell the beast did in order to break the teacher's neck in season 1, episode 1 at the very end. And it was different, but because I watched some of the behind the scenes stuff, I learned through, even though the beast has 6 fingers, is that when they were actually recording and shooting the film, he will already have that 6th finger next to his pinky already adjusted. So if it wasn't already adjusted when the scene was taken, when he cast the spell, then it's not really needed in order for if you can use 5 fingers, like in the first one. Because if you look, you can see that it is moving because his pinky is moving because it's so close to it, but it's not moved in any specific kind of form. So it's not needed for the spell. So I guess we already went through the history of the spell already, huh? Yeah, let's go ahead and do a demonstration, okay? It's really easy, it's really easy. I'm gonna do it again. Hand up. Alright, so simple. Alright, so first you want to start with, it is the right hand. I don't think it, I think it does matter because he could use his left hand, but I think he is more right-handed anyway, so it's predominant hand. But we're going to go ahead and go with the right hand. You can try with your left if it's easier for you, but I'm right-handed, so I'm going to do right-handed. But I still do cater to left hand. So, right hand, have it out. Once you extend all your fingers, every hand should be straight. Then once your pinky can still be like open, and these 3 fingers along with your thumb are going to come down all together at the same time, like so. Because once your thumb goes down, it's like pressing all your other fingers down together. Then you're going to take your index finger, pull it back forward. Just click 1, 2. Then we're going to turn your palm facing up. Okay. Then quickly take your index and your thumb and connect them. When you connect them, your middle finger and your ring finger should flex a bit just because naturally. If they don't, then you're going to have to move them yourself. See how mine, as I do it, they already move. And I'm not making them move. They already do that. So once you come here, the thumb should be facing forward while the index finger should be facing your left if it's your right hand, or if you're using your left hand, your index finger should be facing the right. Okay, once you're here, simply this is when you have them by the neck. Open the index and the thumb, slowly grind them back and forth until you snap the user's neck, and release, as that person is dead. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. There will be some more videos coming out today, because I'm going to be making up for lost time from 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. So don't worry, I'm going to keep my promise. So you're guys gonna have 4 videos today. They're gonna be at the end in the annotations of this video, so check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget about the stream. Bye.